Hello, today we are here with the anatomy of the heart part 3 slides. This slides consists of pericardium and organs associated with the heart. If this content is useful for you, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page that all you know NG's Corner for Nurses, and you are most welcome to comment. Let's start pericardium. Pericardium is the covering of the heart, the Greek word that means around heart. The pericardium is a fibroserous sac which contains the heart and the roots of great vessels attached to the heart. It is situated in the middle mediastinum behind the body of sternum and second to sixth costal cartilages and in front of the bodies of fifth to eighth thoracic vertebra. Pericardium consists of outer fibrous sac and inner serous sac. In this picture, we can see pericardium consists of outer fibrous sac or fibrous pericardium and inner serous sac or serous pericardium. Serous pericardium is further divided into parietal pericardium and visceral pericardium. And between this parietal and visceral pericardium, there is a pericardial cavity which is filled with pericardial fluid. Next, coming to the fibrous pericardium. The superficial fibrous pericardium is composed of tough, inelastic, dense, irregular connective tissue. It resembles a bag that rests on and attaches to a diaphragm. Above its apex blends with the external coat of ascending aorta and pulmonary trunk. Below its base fuses with the upper surface of left part of the diaphragm. In front, it is attached to the upper and lower ends of the sternum by superior and inferior sternopericardial ligaments respectively. It prevents overstretching of the heart, provides protection and anchors the heart in the mediastinum. Next, coming to serous pericardium. It is a closed sac and lies within fibrous pericardium. Serous pericardium consists of parietal and visceral layers. The inner visceral layer of the serous pericardium is also known as epicardium. Is one of the layer of the heart wall and adheres tightly to the surface of the heart. Parietal layers lines the inner surface of the fibrous pericardium and is intimately blended with it. In this picture, we can see the parietal layer of the serous pericardium lines the inner surface of fibrous pericardium and is intimately blended with it. And on the other hand, the visceral layer of serous pericardium, which is also known as epicardium, is one of the layers of the heart wall and adheres tightly to the surface of the heart. And between these two layers, there is a pericardial cavity. So between the parietal and visceral layer, a thin film of serous fluid secretion of the pericardial cells, which is known as pericardial fluid. It reduces friction between the layers and allow the free movement of the heart. And the space that contains the pericardial fluid is called the pericardial cavity that we already seen in the picture. Next, coming to the organs associated with the heart or relations of the heart. Anteriorly, heart is related to sternum, second to fifth intercostal cartilages and intercostal spaces of both sides. Posteriorly, esophagus, descending thoracic aorta and thoracic vertebra. Laterally associated with lungs and pleura on each side. Inferiorly, central tendon of diaphragm, and superiorly aorta, pulmonary trunk and superior vena cava. So this is about the pericardium and the organs associated with the heart. Thank you for listening.